Hello, my name is Paulina and I'm an early childhood English teacher at Fuenllana. We start our day with our daily routine. First, we say our prayers and thoughts, and then I choose the super teacher who will be leading the assembly of the day.
There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Our assembly consists of the days of the week, the months of the year, the weather, the seasons, and the attendance of the children.
How are you today? I am good.
In Fuenllana, we believe that each student should be the protagonist of their learning, especially in a second language.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
The teacher accompanies and guides the children to acquire the proper structure and more vocabulary. What month are we in?
February.
Respecting each level, age, and possibilities.